Is Dom up there with you?
Yeah.
Could you send him back here? I need a hand from him and Haywood just for a little bit to lay the quarter panel.
He's kind of busy at the moment because this car doesn't start, so he has to sit in it while I do the thing or it's going to turn off. I'll send him back as soon as I can.
What are we doing today, Alan?
We're wrapping this thing. So this one's next.
Don't touch yourself like that. It's kind of weird. Not on camera, though. The facelift version. This is the performance one, too. You can tell. Yeah, the face is gone, but this is the performance one. You can tell by the bumper, see? It has a slit right here, so you know it's the aggressive one with the air going through, and then you get the spoiler. So we are actually wrapping this, as you can see where it got started. It was for the standard stealth gray that's free of charge to now Inozetek. What is this called? Inozetek what?
I don't know. Let's see. Super gloss metallic wildberry juice. Quite a name.
This is our first Tesla Model 3 wrap. That's a facelifted version. Ooh, look at the seats. Built-in RGB, so you don't have to buy those really crappy RGB kits that always fail. Look at that. Oh my god. All right, walk me through what you're doing.
Waiting. I am waiting. I'm sitting, breathing, thinking, contemplating. Waiting. I'm waiting on Dom. I gotta pull the whole side, cut out each panel individually, so I gotta cut out the top of the quarter, gotta cut out the door, gotta cut out that door, and we gotta lay the quarter panel. This one's difficult because the quarter panel and side skirt are all one piece, so that's why I need a hand. I don't want to risk dropping it.
Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
This thing should look like this dark purple right here, you know?
I mean, if it's nighttime, everything's gonna look kind of dark, no?
But then you see this is red, but this is pink.
Red?
And then this is like a dark purple down here. It's like 3 different colors in one.
It's like
doesn't that look red?
magenta?
Like a yeah.
Like a cyan?
Like a dark what?
Like a periwinkle almost?
There's quite a few things I like about this whole setup. The color is nice. I like the fact that it's more on the darker side. If it was brighter, I think it would look obnoxious and in your face, whereas this definitely gets your attention, but it's not screaming at you. It's classier and sophisticated. The transitioning color effect subtly hides some body lines, but acts as others depending on the viewing angle, which gives the color more depth. And it looks less like a generic wrap that's very one-dimensional no matter how you look at it. Plus, since this is an Inozetek, combined with the clean installation that you see, it can pass as a paint job to those unaware. It also happened to be the right car for the color. The new 3 has a lot of soft, flowy body lines, and the color complements them all, and really uses the lines to make the smooth transition from the pinkish purple to the dark red that you see, and that's not something you're going to get on every car. I don't think this color on something sharp and angular like a Cybertruck would give the same effect that we see here. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.